Hello everyone, my name is John Eric Bonifacio, aka Makababy. I'm representing Makabebe, Pampanga.
Super happy, super excited.
What is the reason of you joining Mr. Filipinos World?
So, one reason lang is gusto kong ibigay ito sa sarili ko kasi pangarap ko makatungtong sa national stage and this will be my last pageant. So, gusto ko na din mag-focus sa career and business kaya I will do my best in this pageant.
We know na si John ay pageant veteran. So what can we expect on your competition with Mr. Filipinos Worldwide?
So, last pageant, it was lesson learned for me. So, I will use that as a fuel to motivate myself to push harder and gagawin ko lang yung best ko para maging masaya ang mga taong naniniwala sa akin at para maging proud din sila.
For updates, where can they find you? What is your social media?
Oh, you can follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at John BNFC or John Bonifacio. Thank you, Jojo.